recording. Right, let me start from the beginning. This is Idaho Falls, our hotel room. It's very nice. Big, huge bed. Let's have a look at the Idaho Falls. Oh, look. And there's one of those LDS temples again. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, cripes, it's a bit chilly out there. Right, we're going out. Oh.
Mountains.
Yep, the mountains. Oh, I don't know if I can go out, I'm scared. Yeah.
You need to commentate.
Some Canada geese down there. Ooh. Oh my god, I feel a bit freaked. Oh, this is so nice. There's the LDS thing again that they won't let us in. And there's the church. And there's the driftwood. And let's go in and have a look at the bathroom. Come on. I'm having a bath! Oh, will you get some ice? Wait. Oh, God. I won't go get ice because I will never be seen again. Bye-bye.